how to register as a vendor on Cediane. We'll click on sell as a vendor under Cediane. We'll be taken to a page with the rules and regulations of the partnership. You can download the commission grid or an ebook of all of it, which is going to lead us now to a form which we have to fill in order: the first name, last name, email address, shop name, shop URL, and confirm with the password. Don't forget to fill in the secret code. This is to verify for an automated registration. After registration, you need to log in with the email address and the password you use for registration, which is going to lead you to a dashboard. Now we're going to check on the edit account details. Here you have the opportunity to change your name, your last name, your email address or password. And while you're doing that, you can also change your profile or the profile of your shop. You can upload a new picture like I'm doing right now. You select the picture, you frame it up, and you crop it into the image, and it's going to come out the way you did. And you can also change the shop name, change the cover page, the number of products to be displayed per page, and also the street address where your shop is found. Don't forget as well to write in the store category, so when somebody visits your store, he or she is able to know what categories you deal in. We'll use the example of a fashion category. Then you can verify the number of products you want to put per page. You can edit your street address, your secondary street address, city, postal zip code, country, state, telephone number, and also you have the opportunity to also set up a map so that when the clients log in, they can use the map to get to you directly. Then you can also indicate the hours on the days when your store is open, be it from Monday to Sunday, or when your store closes, so that the store could be available when it's open and closed when you're not. Then you could set up a store open notice, a store closed notice, a special vacation message if your store is not available or if you're taking a little vacation. Then discount, you can also enable if the discount is going to be store wide or locally wise. And then you can also put up a little biography about your store for the users to be able to see and read up to know a little about you. You could enable the support button where most of your users could decide to support you, maybe for the good work you're doing. And also you can edit how that button has to appear and the type of text which is going to appear on the button. Like I'm doing now, I'm going to write a little example text showing support our growth. Then you click on update. This then is going to update the settings. You see your information is successfully saved. We can now visit the store and see how it looks with the profile picture, the cover page, the follow button, the support our growth button, and the share. You can also visit you on your Facebook as well. Here are sample products of one of our shops online. Yours could appear like that or in another manner depending on how you decide to edit it, but all the information is available right there. Okay, back to our dashboard. We are going to take on the next step, which is adding a product. We'll click on the product tab. If there are a list of products, you see them listed down like the one you're looking at right now. But what we are going to do here is to try and add a new product to our shop so that people can start seeing new products, new updates. We'll click on add a new product. It's going to give us a little pop-up which is going to require us to get a featured image which is going to be on the display for the product you're about to put up. So with the next pop-up that follows, you have a series of pictures already, maybe in your gallery, or you could upload new files from your machine or your phone depending on what you're using. Make sure for search engine optimization purposes you fill in the alt text and the title of the picture so it's easy for people to. So we're going to use an example right here, Senator Wear, and we'll write the same name under the product name Senator Wear. Then what is interesting here is you are able to set up the main price and also the discounted price. And the discounted price could be set up in a permanent basis or a part-time basis, where you can schedule when the discount is going to run, either for a week's period, a month's period, quarterly period, annual period. It depends on your decision to put in the discount. Here we're going to take an example for a 7-day period. After doing that, you have the option of adding more pictures to your product or going directly to select a category. This selection of category is going to help place your product on the correct category on the site. So if someone goes to fashion, he can be able to get to your products directly, unless you have given him or her a link to your shop where they can easily just get to all the products you are in. Then you need to fill in the taggings. You can fill in, like, for example, fashion, men's fashion, something to help describe accurately the products you're dealing with or the product you're putting up. This is going to help with the search optimization for your products of your genre, so it could bring in clients as much as possible. Thereafter, we'll fill in a little description of the product. It's more of a summary. We are going to find a place where we're going to put in the details of this product. After done, you can click create product or create and add a new to just add a new product at once, but we're going to create a product right here. This is going to redirect you to an edit product area, which is filled in with more details on what you're going to do. We have the option to put it as a virtual product and a downloadable product for softwares or some other things which are not really physically tangible. And you can still reset your price, and of course here you can also see what you earn if the product is bought and what we gain from our commission. Here you can get in the short description of your product and a long description of the product. Online products need to be well described so that the customer or the person reviewing through your products can know what he or she is buying. Later, we scroll down again. We have the opportunity to set up our inventory settings with a stock keeping unit. You can put on what label is on your stock keeping unit in your shop, and of course, you can set the status to in stock. You can also determine the stock quantity and of course what should be considered as a low stock threshold, so that the computer will be able to know when to declare your stocks low or to let you be informed about how your stocks are going through. Okay, allow back orders. You can decide if you want some back orders or not. You can also decide if you want to set up geolocalization, which is going to help with your product sales, and also a more detailed description as of the width, the length, width, and other physical attributes. You can also link other products, upsell other products, or cross-sell other products with the ones you're putting up now. And you can add some custom attributes that's for the people who are a little bit more tech savvy. If you have some issues there, feel free to contact us either with our WhatsApp login on the website or our Facebook. You can get to us directly from the screen. Thereafter, you can edit more discount options, more wholesale options, other options. There are so many options here for you to edit and make available for your clients out there just waiting to buy your product. It's quite important for you to make sure that your products are well edited. You can either set them online or on drafts, visible or not visible, so you can finish editing them when you're okay and you put up. Then you can also edit now the purchase note, which is going to have the thank you note purchase. When you're done, you just click on save product, and you shall receive a confirmation that your product has been successfully saved. Thank you, and catch you again next time.